This old guy DIY video has to do with extending your manufacturer's warranty from 2 years to 5 years by simply buying $30 worth of Husqvarna's pre-mixed fuel. So last night I went to Tractor Supply's website and I was going to buy this Husqvarna 455. So I purchased it online. I was going to pick it up today. I went and watched a couple of YouTube videos and I thought I would go to the Husqvarna website just to check it out. And when I went to the website, I saw this little deal that says up to 5-year limited extended warranty. And basically what it says is that if you want to extend your warranty by 3 years to a total of 5 years, you just have to buy at least 96 ounces of Husqvarna brand premixed fuel at the same time as a qualifying handheld product, whether it's a weed whip or a chainsaw or whatever else they make. And then it says if you just want to extend the warranty by 1 year to a total of 3 years, just buy at least 6 bottles of Husqvarna brand 2-stroke oil. So I saw that, and when I had been on the Tractor Supply website, you know, it shows the item I was going to buy for 500 bucks. And then it asks if I want to buy a 1-year service plan for $75 or 2 years for $109. So here's a larger version. And it didn't mention anything about the Husqvarna promotion that was going on. So when I went to the website and saw this, I said, great, I can get a gallon of pre-mixed fuel and 3 years extended on my warranty for 25 bucks. So I went back to Tractor Supply. I found their 50 to 1 ethanol-free premixed high-octane fuel, and it was a whopping $25. I bought that on the same receipt with my $500 chainsaw, and that's the key. The oil or the premixed gasoline that you buy has to be on the same receipt with that chainsaw. And then when you get the items home, just go to Husqvarna.com, go to the thing for registration, and it'll ask for the serial number on your saw. It'll ask for a copy of this receipt. You can upload the receipt, and if it doesn't work, you have to mail it like I had to. But they will then email you a confirmation saying that yes, you have registered your saw and the extended warranty is in service. So the key here is for $25 worth of pre-mixed fuel, you can extend your factory warranty on a Husqvarna chainsaw, weed whip, pole saw, any of these 2-stroke items for up to 3 years. So I hope this helps you, saves you some money, and have a great day.